So we've had some pretty big windstorms lately, and this is the result of the last one. We'll probably come down here and clear that out next day or so. Yeah, this is down at the campground. Lots of trees fell this year. Big windstorms, lots of power outages.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe for more faceless people.